Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Yes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, why we need water. Okay. Come and let's see what are the importance of water in our day-to-day life. Okay. We need water to survive, to alive. Water is our one of the basic needs. We cannot live without water. All living things like plants, animals, trees, they all need water to survive. Okay. Now let's see what are the different uses of waters. Okay. While we all want water to survive, but what are the uses of it? We use for water for cooking, for bathing, for washing clothes, utensils, for planting, etc. For cleaning floors, we need water for everything. For everything we need waters. Not even we human beings. All plants also need water to prepare its own food. Okay, and that process is known as photosynthesis. Plus, about animals also need water to bath and drink. Okay, this is all about the uses of water. Now come and let's see what are the sources of water. First of all, while going to the two types of sources, the main above these two types of sources, main source of water is the rain. Rain is the main source of fresh water. Okay. Now that rains when comes down is divided into two parts. That is, first is a natural source. The natural sources are the source which is made by naturally. Okay. That is rivers, oceans, ponds, lakes, etc. And what about man-made thing? Man-made water? Man-made source are the source which are made by the men's, which are made by we human beings have made the sources like dams, canals. Okay, these all are the man-made source. Yes. Now this much only for today's class. Next, in the next class, we will going to study about the how to save water. Thank you.